Hi, welcome back to It's Spring. Today I'll show you how to fold an origami flapping bird. So first take a sheet of paper. It can be A4, any rectangular or origami. If you're using rectangular paper, then just fold it so that this aligns up with this edge right here. Make the crease and then fold this up here right on this edge. It has like this, and then against your fingernail, this going this way. Do this both ways. Unfold and then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Unfold the entire paper like this, and then you're gonna do that right there. Just make a tiny mark right there, and then you're gonna rip the rest of that off. And I don't need that anymore. Now we have this. This is good because we're gonna need that for the next fold. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this either way in half, but it has to be in half this way, like this, or like that. And going this way. And now we have this crease right there. We're gonna fold on that crease like this, like that. Now we're gonna flip over like this, and then this side is a square. Now we're gonna do this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the bottom right here, like this. Like that. And then you have made a square. It does the same thing as just doing that. Now we're going to fold this along this line. That. And we're gonna do the same over here. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the same. Like that. Now we're gonna unfold the entire paper, and then we're gonna fold this right here, so that it connects here to there, making that crease. An easier way to do this is just make it so that it starts at 1, and then make it line up on that crease. The other way's easier, like that. Now we're gonna unfold, and then we're gonna flip it over, and then do the same thing. That. Now along this crease right here, we're gonna lift this up like that. And then these two will want to come up. We're going to, here we're gonna start at the bottom, do a good crease up to the top. Also not making any new creases. Not even a single new one. Like that. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. that. Now, we're gonna take it like this. We're gonna fold one side over. See, they both have two. We're gonna fold this over so that this has one, and so that this has one flap and this has 3 flaps. Now we're gonna flip it over to this side and take the one that has this 3 to the other one that has a 2. Like that. To the other one that has a 1, We're just basically taking one to the opposite. We're just basically doing each one the opposite. Right. Now, where we set this, it's easier on the table, but now we're gonna set this in like that, and then like this, like this, no, same like this, like that, and then we're gonna do the same over here. That. Now choose one side and like mark it's you, and then you're gonna pick which spot, and you're gonna put this in down like that, like that, like this. You get to pick the spot. Now, you're gonna lift these wings up. These are, well, now we're gonna lift these flaps up. These are gonna be the wings. Now, we're going to fold it right here, like this, like that. Then do the same on the other side. Or we could just line it up with the other side. Like that. Now what we do is to make the bird flap, we pull the tail like this. You're probably amazed right now. You're not pulling it down. No, you're not pulling it down because that doesn't make the bird flap. You're pulling it straight the way it's pointing. It's like this is an arrow. Oh, pull this way. It's an arrow. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Like that. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe.